Now you will learn in 1 minute how to upload short videos from a computer. Go. Step 1. Click Create Upload Video. Step 2. Upload the video. The main thing is that it should not be longer than 60 seconds because there are such rules on YouTube.
Are the people who think that short video are longer than 1 minute?
Yes. All video must be either square or vertical. That is as if it was shot on a phone. It is important. Okay? And now I will tell you the secret of how to fly into recommendation browse shorts. Ready? Okay. Just go to description video, add the hashtag shorts in description or in the title. And as YouTube admins say, you will have a better chance of getting into the recommendations. If everything worked out for you, put like, subscribe to the channel, like and write a comment in which issue you still need help. And my name is Max Clash. See you in the next video. Bye!